$500,000.
I address the board.
Go ahead.
I'm standing in for Mr. Smith. He is unable to be here because of the medical issue. His family is here.
Who, Mr. Smith? You're talking about the defendant,
Mr.
Christopher Freeland. Okay.
Prior to this morning, there was a motion to set a bond because at the time there was no bond set. This morning, they realized that there's a $500,000 bond set, so they filed a motion for reduction. There is information I think they're going to give the district attorney in reference to some interviews with mom and some other people.
Oh,
Christopher Freeland, 26 CR 759.
That may question the validity and credibility of some of the people involved. But that's with Mr. Smith. Next week.
Yes, you check Axel.
There's two things, Judge. One is that if you'd like to go forward, fine. If not, we'd only ask for 1 week reset. If the state is not able to proceed because of this morning's filing of the correct motion.
Mm-hmm. Well, what we do is obviously tread lightly and carefully when we're talking about a 12-year-old who's been injured. And
I will represent to the court that there is more information possibly that Mr. Smith would provide at the time of the hearing. I received the help late last night, early this morning.
okay. This the court is what it does have is a probable cause affidavit in this file,
Right.
which, among other things,
I was gonna get you. I would say here for it.
where one witness says details the eyewitness account describing the defendant punching the child, stepping on her hip area, and several of the children reporting that the victim stated, "Chris hit me," and that each child placed the defendant alone with the victim at the time of the injury, which occurred while their mother was away. There's 4 children stating that. And these children were all interviewed at the guard's house, which has a great reputation of dealing with this type of in this method of dealing with child witnesses. There was bruising on the child's left cheek, elevated liver and pancreatic lab test raises concerns for possible internal injuries and the presence of multiple injuries that the medical authorities believe were multiple injuries of the child that were made at different times. During a full skeletal survey conducted at Children's Memorial Hospital, medical staff identified with the child a healing fracture of the left clavicle. I mean, that's the that's the neck area, estimated to be 1 month old. And the mother says she was unaware of such a fracture. and gave no explanation of how that could have occurred. So, and, the child apparently has suffered a severe fracture to her right femur. And was being prepared for medical transport to Children's Memorial Hospital due to the seriousness. Medical imaging revealed a displaced modelly angulated transverse fracture of the right femur, an injury which physicians advise is a high force injury, not typically sustained by a child at this age through routine childhood activity. Well, this is all very disturbing. And we're talking about a child who is how old now? This age at this time?
She was born in August of 2023, Judge.
This is
Must have been 12 years old.
April 8th, 20.
That's what he says.
Yeah, it says, the Boma police go to the Baptist hospital. Reference to a reported injury to a child, medical staff advise officers of the victim, who is identified as JC, has a date of birth of August 3rd of 23. This is April 8th of 26. And that's not 3 years old.
You said 12 before, and I was just kind of puzzled.
Yeah, okay. I know, I don't, I want. Child. 14 years of age, of young. Okay. I don't see another age other than 20. Born in 23. Are we right on that? Is that what the state believes?
Yes, sir. I don't have any reason to believe it's incorrect.
Thank you. It's very just. Yeah, the specialists documented that the force required to fracture a 2-year-old child's femur is significant. And that the injuries sustained by the child were determined to be inconsistent with the explanations provided by the other adults in the house.
If I may address the court.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I know that Mr. Smith was going to call some witnesses for this hearing based on the documents that I received. I think it would probably be,
Okay,
well,
what do you want to do?
I think we said it 1 week. And
All right.
we was retained on this.
All right. This, it's not going to rule on the motion right now,
Well, it's his motion.
unless I have some more evidence to, reflect what it should be. What's this on now?
500.
Got serious injuries to a 2-year-old. Everybody knows how deliberate a decision regarding those circumstances should be. I'll reset 1 week on your request.
You'll see, you know, see.
Anything else?
No excuse.
Yeah, right.